Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is week 4 of the weekly check-in for July, which is also our last week for this month, and then we will skip into August. Can you believe that August is already here? So this year is almost over. It's so crazy. But before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and comment how you are doing, because I did really bad this week. Like, this week is the week for sinking funds, I swear. But we are going to get into that and talk about it and everything else. As always, we are going to be doing our no spins first. And sad to say, but we only had 2 no spins this week, and that is on the 23rd and also on the 29th. That is crazy, you guys. Crazy. So you know that I did pretty bad to only have 2 no spins days. All right, so let's go to the 24th. I'm just gonna zoom y'all in just a little bit. So we did go grocery shopping, and as I said before in the stuffing video, I do not have cash anymore because we go to Walmart, and Walmart is pretty much cashless. So I had to keep the money in my debit card, but I'm still going to be using the pink stickers because I am still budgeting it. So at Walmart, I spent $20 on grocery on Friday. And then I picked up some gas because we really needed some gas on that day also. And that was $15. And that is it. Saturday, well, my mom was here on Friday, but Saturday we all went to Florida, which is literally a hop, skip, and a jump from Alabama for us because we're super close to it. So we went to Florida on Saturday to this like really discounted store called Crazy Boys, which on Thursdays they're closed, but on Fridays they're everything's $7. Saturday is $5, Sundays $3, $2, and then like a quarter on Wednesday, which is crazy. You find like a ton of stuff. I know Kendra went with me, which is my future sister-in-law. We bought all of her plates, which are plastic, like nice plastic white silver plates, and with a gold rim around it for only $5. Crazy. It was like 100 pack. So we bought that, and it's a great store. A lot of people, you have to wear a mask and everything, but it was really fun. But anyhow, we went shopping, and I used my vacation for that. So we went to that, and we went to the Asian store, and I just bought some stuff for Mama to cook some food that she always makes. Like, she always makes chicken adobo, and what is that? There's another one that she makes, and I can't remember what it's called, and I had it in my mind, and I can't remember. But anyways, Senegon. Senegon is what I was trying to say, which is like a sweet and sour soup, or a sour soup, really. So for vacation on that day, we spent it at the Asian store, and we went shopping at that Crazy Boys. And that is it. So we're going to move it to the 26th. So now on the 26th, me and Jared and his sister and their fiance, we went out to eat at this place called The Fort. It's a container place. It has burger place, it has a pizza place, it has like beer, like a tap station and everything. It was really fun. But I used my fun money, and we bought burgers at a place called Blues Burgers. And I got a bacon cheeseburger, and Jared got, I don't know what Jared got, a patty melt or something like that. But we spent $37. Essentially, that is pretty much all of my fun money. But it was fun. We got to hang out. Like, they had a movie going on. We watched Moana on the projection screen, which was really awesome. So that was fun. We should do it again, really. And let's see. And then I took a lot of people's advice on preparing myself for nursing school and everything. So I did buy a book to just read up on some things to prepare myself for nursing school, and then I had to get some stuff for my computer. So I spent $100 out of college, which is fine because I'm just going to build it back up. But we spent $100 on that. Moving on to the 27th, we did go to the dentist. We got another filling, my last filling, but then apparently they said I might have to come back and get a redo on the filling. So I don't know how that's going to work with pricing and everything. But I spent $140. Yay! It was like $138, but I just credited the $2 towards my next because I have to get a cleaning before I go and see somebody for like braces and stuff, because that's what I really want to do. But we went to the dentist, which was $140. And then we spent, here's some more sinking funds, which I hate because I should have just did it all together. Now I'm going to have like a bunch of purple, but it's fine. So I did pick up Christmas presents. So Walmart is having their Christmas sale on their toys. So I bought an educational book, and then I bought an outfit for my nephew. So I'm completely done with him because I want something educational and I want a outfit. So I'm completely done with him. That's one out of like the 5 kids I have to buy for. So I'm trying to prepare myself. And then also on vacation, I just went to Target and bought a couple of things, and that's pretty much it. So that was $20. So you see, a lot of purple, you guys. All right, moving on to the 28th. The only thing that I paid for was gas. So gas was $15. And that is it, you guys. I'm going to zoom y'all out, and we're just going to do a quick review before we flip over to the weekly check-in part. So the 23rd is a no spend. 24th was groceries for $20 and gas for $15. Vacation, which is all for the sinking funds, which is purple. Vacation, we spent $60. Fund money, we spent $37. And college, we spent $100. On the 27th was all sinking funds. So dentist was $140. Christmas was $13. And then vacation was $20. Tuesday, we only spent gas, which was $15. And then on Wednesday, on the 29th, was a no spend. So this is our layout for the entire month. I know we have 2 more days, but that is going to be on the August weekly check-in, which I am not sure if that's going to happen. I'm just going to give y'all an update. I'm not sure if it's going to happen because I do have to order a new kit from Tempest XOXO. And I pretty much don't get paid until next week. So we'll just have to see about that. Or I can just, I do have some other kits that I can use, but I really want a new one. So who knows? Maybe I'll just, save money and just do another kit that I haven't used yet. So we will see. But anyways, all right. So groceries, we spent $20. And my pen wants to stop, of course. So I budgeted $100. So we have $80 left. Gas, we spent $30. So we should have $30 left. Fund money, we spent $37. So we should have $3 left. Cushion, we did not spend anything. So we should have $42 left. And then sinking funds is the major one. So we actually have to get our calculator out for that. So we spent shopping, and then Asian store was $60. Plus college was $100. Plus dentist was $140. Christmas is $13. And then vacation was $20 for $333 is how much we spent on sinking funds. So we have $1,434 minus 333 equals $1,101 is how much we have left in our sinking funds. All right, so as always, before we close out, we are going to check. So groceries don't have anything. Gas, we should have $30 left. So 20, 25, and 30. And then fun money, we should have $3 left. 1, 2, and 3. All right, you guys, so that is it. So that is our weekly check-in for week 4, which is also our last week before we get into a new month. And also, before I go, if you have seen my video that I posted on Wednesday, yes, I posted a video because why not? I need y'all's help, you guys. So make sure you go and vote on the polls and watch that video and comment what video you want to see on Saturday, which is either going to be what I budget with. So essentially everything that you see here plus more. I will go in depth about what I use and why I use them and everything else. Or you can vote on an in-depth talk of me talking about my sinking funds, like what is a sinking fund to me, the categories that I use, what it is entitled in that categories. Like, for example, sinking fund is college. What do you consider it can be in college? Like tuition, books, stuff like that. So this is just a in-depth information for y'all. But anyway, so vote in the polls, and then I will see you guys on Saturday for that video, and I will see you guys later, and thank you for your love and support, and I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. Bye.